Welcome to NextGen-Build, where manufacturing meets innovation. Today we explore Italian craftsmanship behind an iconic pistol. Italy awakens, where precision craftsmanship and legacy manufacturing quietly begin. This factory represents centuries of engineering heritage, refined through generations. Skilled hands and disciplined minds drive every process inside these walls. Manufacturing begins with carefully sourced materials chosen for reliability. Strict inspections ensure only approved materials enter production lines. Massive force shapes raw steel into foundational firearm components. Forging improves internal strength while defining initial component shapes. Controlled cooling preserves structural integrity and dimensional stability. Automation ensures consistency while minimizing human error risks.
Computer-guided machining refines parts to exact engineering tolerances. Excess material removed reveals iconic Beretta design foundations. Each pass ensures symmetry, balance, and smooth functional surfaces. Barrels receive focused attention due to their critical performance role.
Internal geometry supports consistent accuracy and reliable operation. Order and tracking maintain accountability throughout manufacturing stages. Finishing removes imperfections invisible to untrained eyes. Smooth interactions reduce friction and enhance long-term durability. Heat treatment strengthens components for repeated operational stress. Exact conditions ensure predictable metallurgical results every time. Sudden temperature changes are avoided to prevent deformation. Surface treatments defend against corrosion, environmental wear.
This coating enhances durability while maintaining a distinctive appearance.
Each component receives finish suited to functional requirements.
Even minor components demand identical precision standards.
Assembly blends mechanical precision with experienced human judgment. Quality control never overlooks the smallest details.
Proper fit ensures smooth movement and reliable cycling. Ergonomic safety and responsiveness are evaluated continuously.
Feeding reliability begins with properly manufactured magazines.
Function testing.
Early testing identifies issues before live fire evaluation begins.
Live testing confirms reliability, accuracy, and safe operation.
Performance must meet strict standards under repeated firing. Accuracy verification ensures barrels and sights perform correctly.
Traceability guarantees accountability throughout the manufacturing life cycle.
Post-testing maintenance prepares firearms for final evaluation.
Final inspections catch cosmetic or functional imperfections.
Unique identification ensures authenticity and regulatory compliance.
Approval confirms the pistol meets Beretta manufacturing standards.
Preservation ensures readiness after storage or transport. Complete packages support safe, responsible ownership worldwide.
Packaging protects precision craftsmanship during shipment.
Logistics teams prepare firearms for global delivery.
Each unit represents thousands of controlled manufacturing steps. Tradition and innovation coexist within these production walls.
Human expertise remains essential despite advanced automation.
Continuous improvement drives future manufacturing refinements.
Balance between technology and craftsmanship ensures consistency.
Every surface reflects disciplined precision and care. The final product embodies reliability, balance, and heritage. Trusted worldwide through decades of demanding service. Designed for controlled environments and responsible use. Each day advances precision through disciplined repetition.
Production never compromises quality, regardless of scale.
Italian craftsmanship remains central to Beretta identity.
Engineering evolves while honoring proven foundations.
Precision defines every movement, cut, and measurement.
From raw steel emerges controlled mechanical harmony. Countless steps unite into one refined instrument. National pride shapes every manufacturing decision. Completed pistols begin journeys across continents.
Compliance ensures lawful global distribution.
Manufacturing excellence repeats through disciplined processes. Understanding manufacturing deepens appreciation for engineering.
Design purpose, reliability, and precision align perfectly. Every product carries responsibility in craftsmanship and history. This is how iconic manufacturing truly happens.